To enjoy the many benefits of AcuraLink, start by downloading the app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your phone and accept the terms and conditions. Next, sign in to your existing My Acura account from the home screen or tap Register and input an email address you want associated with your Acura ID. Enter your name, password, followed by your security question, and tap Create. You will receive an email from AcuraLink to confirm your account. Click Verify my email address to continue. Now log into the AcuraLink app using your newly created Acura ID and password. Next, tap Add Vehicle, then Scan. Scan the vehicle identification number or VIN barcode located on the driver's side door jamb. Your VIN will appear on the AcuraLink screen. Select Continue. On the dashboard, tap Start Trial to activate your AcuraLink trial subscription. Check off the box to accept the subscription services terms and tap Activate. Next, input your postal code used at the time of purchase and tap Confirm. Then create a 4-digit security PIN for your AcuraLink remote functions and tap Continue. Lastly, review the subscription features and activate your free trial. To pair your device via Bluetooth, tap Start Pairing and follow the Bluetooth pairing instructions. To allow AcuraLink to collect your vehicle information, tap the Support tab from the dashboard. Scroll down and tap Vehicle Data Collection. Then select Allow to grant AcuraLink permission to collect your vehicle's odometer, oil level, and fuel range. Tap Dismiss. Your features are now all fully activated.